Now, ever since the start of this pandemic, there's been an effort to make our homes and workplaces safer, more secure, more sanitized, from the use of sanitizers extensively to even UV technology to HEPA filters to help clean the air that we're breathing. Well, let's talk about one more such method to clean and to keep us safe from coronavirus. We're now joined by Ravi Kaushik, an alumni of IIT Bombay and the CEO of Air TH. Is that how you pronounce it? Ravi, you along with others have made a kind of antimicrobial air purifier which you say protects from airborne disease and transmission and pollution, and even can help fight coronavirus. Tell us about your product.
Thank you very much. So it's Earth, so what we are trying to focus on is how we can prevent. We are not talking about cure, but the prevention, because according to WHO, we should be already preparing for the next pandemic, because this SARS-CoV-1 has been there. This is SARS-CoV-2. There might be other versions of it. So taking one very simple example, let's say you, ma'am, me, and 5 selected viewers are having a meeting in a closed room, and let's say I am COVID positive. With time, the viral load in our meeting room is going to increase. However, there are 2 types of solutions which are available right now in the market. One is spray-based, for example, sanitizer, and second is huge UV lights being used. But the contradiction is the transmission happens when we are actually having the meeting. However, both these solutions are not used while we are having the meeting. They will be used pre that or post that. So we have been working on proactive preventive solution against SARS-CoV-2 or coronavirus, and it is a IIT Bombay patent file technology which has been tested at CSIR, NPL, and NABL accredited lab. So we have done 2 types of testing. First is reduction. Are we able to remove particles as small as SARS-CoV-2? That is around 100 nanometers. We have done the testing for that. And second type of testing we did was microbial reduction testing and deactivation testing. So we have done that and got amazing results. In 5 minutes, we were able to achieve minimum of 99.87% when we tested on 4 different microbial species, 2 virus RNA, 1 bacteria, and 1 fungi.
Right, so very fascinating. And how would this compare to, there's a UV technology also being used to remove coronavirus? Yes, you did say during a meeting this is something that provides you protection when there are, a few people in a room or in a restaurant. Also, how does this compare to, air filters, air purifiers, where you have HEPA filters as well?
Yeah, definitely. So how other air purifiers, they actually do help in protection against air pollution. However, now the problem is different. Pre-COVID, the problem was air pollution. After COVID, air quality was much better, but then the problem was airborne disease transmission. And the new normal would be combination of both, which can have detrimental effect. So we have been working on how we can solve a problem for both these airborne disease transmission and air pollution. So how it is different is other air purifiers, they usually use a capture mechanism. What we are doing, it's a DCD mechanism, that is deactivate, capture, deactivate mechanism. First, there is in-flight deactivation, and then there is capture using advanced HEPA filter, gel-based HEPA filters, and then again there is deactivation.
Right. Ravi, just finally, also just tell us about your team. You're from IIT Bombay, and it's interesting, ever since the start of this pandemic, it's great to see, young minds working to help protect us from this pandemic.
Yes, so I've been working on air purification since last 2 years. In the process, I was able to file 2 patents, particularly due to support of Desai City School for Entrepreneurship at IIT Bombay, SIGN, which is Business Incubator at IIT Bombay, professors, great support from them, specifically from Chemical Department, Environmental Science and Biosciences Department, Social Alpha, which is an arm of Tata Trust and DST, they are also helping us, Alcisar Impact. So all these are helping us. In our team, we have a PhD guy, and then 2 more people who are looking after the operations and strategy of it.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Ravi, for sharing this with us, and all the best ahead.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Well, with that, time for us to slip into a short break. Coming up on the other side, our viewer question segment, and Dr. Kunal Sarkar will join us to take all those questions for you.